It's November, and you know what that means. It's only a short while before 'tis the season for gifts. Looking for the perfect present has the potential to be a long and slow process, but with Nanoleaf smart lighting products, the perfect gift is just a few clicks away. We're here to help you speedrun the Black Friday season with all the best deals on all the best products. Deals like these only come around once a year, so grab them while they're hot, and you'll have them saying, "Oh, you shouldn't have," in record time. With 2 minutes on the clock, you're going to learn everything you need to know to pick the perfect smart lighting gift for that special someone, or an even specialer someone, yourself. Let's start with our Nanoleaf Shapes RGB light panels. You've seen them, you love them. Hexagons, triangles, mini triangles. Use the shapes alone or connect them together. Easy mounting with mounting tape means no tools required. Design your own layout and customize with over 16 million colors for static or animated scenes. Reacts dynamically to touch and sound and voice. Oh my! Set schedules for easy wake-ups and bedtimes, and try the next level screen mirror feature with our desktop app to bring your movies and games into the next dimension. Sounds like a winner in our books. Next, Nanoleaf Essentials, just like the name says, very essential for living your best smart home life. We've got light bulbs, we got light strips, we've got the same 16 million colors, voice control, schedules, and screen mirror as your Shapes panels. Throw in ultra bright whites for your daily lighting needs and thread control, more on that later, and you've got another winner, literally. Next, Nanoleaf Elements wood-look hexagons. Like the sophisticated older brother of our Shapes panels, these hexagons have a chic wood grain finish that elevates any decor. With the whole range of white lighting temperatures, from the warmest to coolest whites, these bad boys deliver the cozy glow of a fireplace, but without the fire hazard. Dynamic glowing corner effects illuminate each corner individually for an organic sense of motion. Ooh, ah. What's that sound? Another winner. Bonus round. Heard of Thread? We're talking the new ultra-fast, ultra-reliable network protocol. You want it? You got it. Your Shapes and Elements panels double as Thread border routers, meaning you don't need any extra hubs to get connected and get that ultra-fast, ultra-reliable control of your Essentials bulbs and light strips. Easy peasy. And to round it all up, the best part of all is that all these products work together to level up your smart home experience. One Nanoleaf app, one Nanoleaf ecosystem. Sync colors, scenes, schedules, and more across all your devices. And I don't know about you, but that plan sounds like a winner to me.